Shows that 90s kids loved. Foreign cartoons or anime dubbed into Tagalog during the 1990s. 12. Remy, year? 1994. 11. Voltes 5 Replay, year? 1999. 10. Time Quest, year? 1995 mula 1996. Siyam. Dragon Ball Z, year? 1993 mula 1997. 8. Sailor Moon, year? 1994 mula 1995. 7. Ghost Fighter, year? 1999. 6. Peter Pan, year? 1993. 5. Si Julio at Julia, Kambal ng Tadhana, year? 1991. 4. Ang Mga Munting Pangarap ni Romeo, year? 1997. 3. CD. Ang Munting Prinsipe, year? 1992 mula 1993. 2. Sinelo at Patrash, year? 1994. 1. Sarah, Ang Munting Prinsesa, year? 1991. Salamat sa panunood.